In this video, I'll show you how to grant agentless access to applications for users on unmanaged devices. This enables you to grant zero-trust access to applications that you host. It's useful when working with contractors, consultants, and others who are not using the Perimeter 81 agent, but who need access to specific resources. First, go to Private Access, and then choose Applications. If you don't have any applications yet, you'll see a screen like this. Click Add Application to get started. Otherwise, if you already have applications set up, you'll see them all here. Choose Add Application. Once you publish your application, it will be available through a browser with no need to install an agent. I'll highlight a few of the steps in the process here, but please note the Learn More link at the top of the form and the Help prompt at the right of the screen. Use those links to visit our knowledge base, where you'll find in-depth, regularly updated information about each type of application you can add. Going back to the form, you'll enter a name for your application. Then choose the appropriate protocol based on the type of application. Enter the host name or its internal IP address. Then enter the port number. Then select the network. This is the network where you already will have set up a site-to-site tunnel to the environment where the application is hosted. You'll also need to choose who has access to the application. That can be based on group or individual users. Next, you can attach any applicable application policy based on the ones you've created. Your policies are listed here in Application Policies. Let's take a look. Here you can create a policy that limits who has access, when they have access, and more. Click Add Policy to set it up. This is where you'll define the rules of the policy. For example, you can restrict access to only certain groups, only certain days or times of the day, and other parameters such as IP address, country, browser, and operating system. Switching now to a user view to see how a policy is applied in practice, you can see that no additional software is needed on their device. Users simply log into their unique workspace via their web browser. I'll attempt to access an application that's restricted based on my location. Although I can see the application based on my profile, access to it is restricted based on my location, so my access is denied. Let's look now at an application where I do have access. I'm granted access and the whole experience happens in my browser. I'm accessing the application via an internal address, and it's not exposed to the internet. And the device I'm using has not entered the network, so I'm not creating any new risk to the network by using a device that is unmanaged. Thanks for watching.